What if I told you that making your first $1,000 online in 30 days is no longer impossible? Not by becoming famous, not by gambling crypto, not by selling fake, get-rich-quick dreams. I'm talking about real methods that normal people are using right now with just a phone, internet connection, and consistency. And the crazy part, most people fail because they waste time learning 50 different things at once. So in this video, I'm giving you a step-by-step 30-day blueprint. Exactly what I would do if I had to start over from absolute zero in 2026. No fluff, no unrealistic promises, just a logical plan that actually makes sense. And if you stay until the end, I'll show you the biggest mistake that keeps beginners stuck at $0 forever. First, let's be honest. Making $1,000 in 30 days is not easy. But it's absolutely possible, because in today's world, attention is money. Businesses need videos edited, thumbnails designed, content posted, products promoted, content created, and most people are too lazy to learn these skills. That creates opportunity. So instead of chasing easy money, we're going to focus on high-demand skills, fast execution, and simple systems. This plan is built for beginners. No degree, no expensive setup, no huge audience required. The first reason people fail: they try to do everything. Dropshipping, crypto, trading, affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, print on demand, all at once. That destroys focus. So for the next 30 days, pick one money skill. Here are the best beginner-friendly skills in 2026. Option 1, short-form video editing. Businesses need TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. If you can edit fast-paced videos with captions, you can make money. Option 2, thumbnail design. High-center thumbnails are valuable. One good thumbnail can increase views massively. Option 3, content creation. Using AI tools to create scripts, posts, captions, and content ideas. Option 4, social media management. Small businesses hate posting online consistently. You solve that problem. Option 5, faceless YouTube content. Channels need scripts, voiceovers, editing, research. Huge demand. Now listen carefully. You do not need to become an expert. You only need to become useful. That changes everything. Most beginners waste months watching tutorials. That's procrastination disguised as productivity. Instead, use the 80-20th rule. Learn only what helps you start making money fast. For example, if you choose video editing, don't spend 6 months mastering cinematic effects. Learn captions, transitions, pacing, hooks, sound effects. That's enough to start. Spend 20% learning, 80% practicing, because skills grow through action, not endless preparation. Now you need proof. Nobody hires random people without examples. So create free sample edits, free thumbnails, or free AI content examples. Even fake practice projects work. Here's the secret. Your first portfolio doesn't need to be perfect. It only needs to show, I can solve your problem. That's it. Post your work on TikTok, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, Behance, Fiverr, Upwork, and optimize your profile clearly. Example: I help creators increase views with high-retention short-form edits. Simple, clear, valuable. This is where most people quit. Because outreach feels uncomfortable. But outreach is literally how money enters your life. If nobody knows you exist, you stay invisible. So every single day, contact 20 to 50 people. Creators, small businesses, startups, coaches, YouTubers. Send short messages like, "Hey, I noticed your videos could perform even better with faster captions and pacing. I made a quick sample edit for you." That's powerful. Why? Because value gets attention. Most people just beg, "Please hire me." Don't do that. Show results first. And remember, you only need one good client to change momentum. One client paying $250 per week already puts you near your $1,000 goal. This is the biggest advantage in 2026. I lets beginners compete faster than ever before. Use AI for scripts, captions, research, ideas, thumbnails, voiceovers, productivity. But here's the important part. I should not replace your brain. It should multiply your speed. The people making money today aren't the smartest people. They're the fastest executors. Execution beats perfection every time. Part 6. Your first $1,000 is the hardest. Not because money is impossible, but because your mindset is weak at the beginning. You doubt yourself, you overthink, you compare yourself to others. But once you make that first money online, everything changes, because now your brain realizes, this is real. And from that point, you stop chasing motivation. You start building momentum. So if I had to start from zero today, I would pick one skill, practice daily, post my work publicly, contact people every day, and stay consistent for 30 days straight. That's the blueprint. Not magic, not luck, just focused execution. And who knows, maybe this video becomes the moment your financial life finally changes.